Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mga kapatid, dito tak ngayon kay Jesucristo. Dahil nagsasabi na si Jesucristo daw, mayroong nagsasabi, marami sila nagsasabi, na si Jesucristo daw ay hindi daw created. Sa amin ho, it's very clear sa chapter 3, Ali Imran, verse 59, na si Jesucristo was created like the similitude of Adam. When Allah said, kun fayakun, He was created like Adam. Okay? Now, they insisted na Jesus Christ, hindi daw created. Okay. Punta tayo sa Bible para makagising ito. Basa kayo sa Hebrews chapter 2, verse 9. I will quote. But we see Jesus who was made a little lower than the angels, who was made who was created. The other is who was created. The other is who was made a little lower than the angels. Yung nandyan sa inyong nandyan sa inyong Biblia, na Jesus Christ was made or created lower little than the angels. Okay? Gising-gising kayo mga kapatid. Meaning you worship Jesus as God, as a created being. Woe unto you on the day of judgment. Lumaglaglab na apoy, lalangoy kayo sa lumagablab na apoy dahil sa pagsamba ninyo sa isang nilikha na si Jesucristo. Sambahin natin ang nag-iisang manglilikha, nga si Allah. Maraming salamat. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.